How to downgrade your Vimeo subscription. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you'll be learning how you can downgrade your Vimeo subscription. So kindly watch to the end so that you can learn how to do so. What do you do first? The first step is to log in into your Vimeo account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, move to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. By clicking on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, I'll show you select settings. And then once you're on your settings page, move to the left side of the screen where you would see a sidebar. Scroll down until you can see the option billing, which is located under connected apps. Then by clicking on billing, you'll be taken to your billing page. On this page, you would see purchases, the receipts for any purchases you make on Vimeo will show here. So just go ahead and click on membership plan so that you can manage your subscription. So membership plan, if you're currently on a higher plan and then you want to downgrade your subscription, just go to the lower plan, all right, and then click on get starter or wherever. Just click on it, and then once you click on that, the you'll be directed to another page where you'll be asked to follow some procedures. I show you it through, follow the prompts, and then you'll be downgraded successfully. This is that simple. So just find your way to your billing page and you're good to go. This is how you can downgrade your subscription plan on Vimeo. Thank you for watching and ensure you practice what you just learned. Have a good day.